Nam- Namaste children. Did you remember in last session what are the points we discussing? Physical quantities such as amount of substance, temperature, luminous intensity. Okay. So in this session we are going to discuss about plane angle, solid angle, clocks, types of clocks. Let us see one by one. Plane angle. It is the angle between the interaction of two straight lines or interaction of two planes. Okay, it is the angle between the interaction of two straight lines or interaction of two planes. The SI unit of plane angle is radian. The symbol is RAD. Okay, so what is mean by plane angle? It is the angle between the interaction of two straight lines or interaction of two planes. The next, radian. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of a circle. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. Okay students. Next, solid angle. It is the angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at a common point. It is angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at a single point, that means common point. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is steradian. The symbol SR. The steradian is defined as the solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. Okay, the steradian is the solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. Clear it? The next, difference between plane and solid angle. Plane angle, the angle between the interaction of two lines or planes. The angle between the interaction of two plane or two lines. Then solid angle, the angle between the interaction of three or more planes at a common point. Okay, plane angle, it is two dimensional. Solid angle, it is three dimensional. Plane angle, the SI unit is radian. Solid angle, the SI unit is steradian. Clear it? The next, clocks. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. So many clocks were used from the ancient time. Scientists modified the clock's mechanism to obtain accuracy. They are divided into two types, mainly divided into two types. Okay, types of clocks based on display, further divided into two types: analog clocks, digital clocks. Types of clocks based on working mechanism, again divided into two types: quartz clocks, atomic clocks. Let us see one by one. Analog clocks. It looked like a classic clock. It has three hands to show the time, hours hand. It is short and thick. It shows hour. Minute hand. It is long and thin. It shows minute. Second hand. It is long and very thin. It shows seconds. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. This analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Okay students, clear? The next, digital clocks. Digital clock displays the time directly. It shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year, temperature, etc. Nowadays, the digital clocks showing date, day, month, year, temperature. Okay. So digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. Digital clocks are also called as electronic clocks. The next, quartz clocks. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precise. Okay, so this type of quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. Okay, so these clocks are activated by electronic oscillators which are controlled by a quartz crystal. The accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. The accuracy of 1 second in 10 power 9 seconds. Okay. So what is mean by quartz clocks? The clocks are activated by electronic oscillators which are controlled by quartz crystal. Okay. Next, atomic clock. These clocks are making use of periodic vibrations occurring within the atom. These clocks are making use of periodic vibration occurring within the atom. The accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. The accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Okay, the atomic clock are used in global positioning system, global navigation satellite system, okay, and international time distribution services. So these departments are used in atomic clocks. Okay, students, clear? Next, do you know the Greenwich time, that means GMT, is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory located at Greenwich in London. It is measured at the longitude of 0 degree. Our earth is divided into 24 zones, each of the width of 15 degree longitude. These regions are called time zones. The time difference between two adjacent time zones in 1 hour. Okay, so these are the Greenwich mean time. Next, Indian Standard Time. They are located of Mizrapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is taken as a reference longitude of the Indian Standard Time. Okay, it is located at 82.5 degree latitude. Okay, so the Indian Standard Time is equal to Greenwich Mean Time plus 5.5 hours. Then more to know, the first atomic clock was developed in 1949. The first atomic clock was developed in 1949 at the US National Bureau of Standards, but it was less accurate than the quartz clock. So compared to atomic clock, it is less accurate of quartz clock. Okay. The first accurate atomic clock was built by Louis Eschen and Jack Benny in 1955 at the National Physics Laboratory in the United Kingdom. Okay, students, clear it? So far what are the points we covered? Plane angle, solid angle, the difference between plane and solid angle, then clocks, types of clocks. Okay, students, clear? So your home activity, what are the difference between plane angle and solid angle? Okay, then make a model of a digital clock using matchsticks on the cardboard with the date and time. You have to create your model of digital clock using matchsticks on the cardboard with the date and time. Okay students, thank you.